Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some wonderful information today. So, you bought a brand new fridge, and you plug it in, the lights come on, and nobody's home. What I mean by that is it's not cooling. Well, there could be a couple of reasons. One is called, the cooling could be off, it could be in what's called demo mode. Is a couple different phrases for depends on what manufacturer you have. But this one, we're going to show you how to take it out of demo mode or cooling mode off and put it back in so you can find out if that's the issue. Now, if you've had your machine, your refrigerator for 6 months, a year, and then it stops cooling, probably not this issue. You're going to want to call a technician for that. But this, like I said, you get a brand new fridge and it doesn't want to work. So what we're going to have, we have a GE here, okay? And right now, this is actually cooling. It's all nice and pretty. I know how to do this because I actually walked through it with a guy a few days ago. Now, I'm going to turn the cooling off and you're going to see what this thing tells you, okay? Now, it's fridge, freezer, and ice maker. 3, 2, 1. Cooling system off. So if you open your GE fridge and you see something like this, your cooling system's not on. Obviously, my lights work. Everything, even down here, all of this stuff is working, but it's not going to cool. The compressor shuts off. It's basically to show you all the bells and whistles of the unit. Okay, so you plug it in, you wait several hours, you don't feel it cooling, you see something like this on your GE, that means your cooling system is turned off. Now, open your manual. It'll tell you when you get to the controls, cooling off, cooling on, demo mode, something along those lines. Like I said, all manufacturers have a different verbiage they use. But for this one is cooling system off, CS off. So I'm going to turn it back on now. And it's fridge, freezer, and ice maker at the same time. 3, 2, 1. CS on. So now the compressor will come back on. It'll start cooling. Now, if it still doesn't cool, you've got other issues. At that point, you're going to want to call the manufacturer and get a technician out to find out what's going on. But now you know what you're looking for. So if I go to my fridge, okay, see, I can change my temperature now. I couldn't with the other ones. I had the 2 little dashes. Okay, so this is something to look for with your brand new fridge. Don't forget to subscribe and like this YouTube channel, and y'all come back for some more wonderful information, and have a great day.